Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make French toast. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need fresh, thick-cut bread, which is key for a great texture. Also, prepare some large eggs, whole milk, granulated sugar, and a touch of vanilla extract. Having everything ready and at room temperature ensures a smooth and easy preparation process, setting the stage for perfectly delicious French toast. Now, let's create the flavorful custard that will coat our bread. In a shallow dish, gently whisk together 2 large eggs with about 1/2 cup of whole milk. Next, incorporate 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar and 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract for that classic aroma. Whisk until the mixture is completely smooth and well combined, ensuring there are no lumps. This rich custard is the heart of your French toast. With your custard ready, it's time to cook. Carefully dip each slice of thick bread into the mixture, allowing it to soak for about 10 to 15 seconds on each side. You want it saturated but not soggy. Next, melt 1 tablespoon of butter in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Place the dipped bread in the pan and cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side until it achieves a beautiful golden brown color. Your homemade French toast is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it warm, perhaps with a light dusting of powdered sugar or a generous drizzle of pure maple syrup. For an extra special touch, consider adding fresh berries like strawberries or blueberries, or even some sliced bananas. A dollop of whipped cream or a sprinkle of cinnamon can also elevate your dish. Enjoy this delightful breakfast or brunch treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.